This is a brand new 2013 Acura TSX. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air vents for rear-seated passengers, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Goodson Acura is located at 4801 Lemon Avenue in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.